So here it is, the box. Yes, it says. And the box, it looks in a pretty good condition, I would say. So now the first 2 layers of plastic and cardboard is off, and I can see there's a motorbike. And here my spare parts. I ordered some air filters, piston kit, and some brake pads, and some chain guards and chain guides and stuff. So now I've unpacked most of it, and there is a lot of things to assemble. And it definitely came with both motocross and enduro kit. And there are some scratches here. This one, the plastic, maybe I can clean a little bit. It's gone through some kind of plywood or whatever it is. An exhaust too. So okay, now it's out of the box and the frame. Here you could see there's nothing. On the first small damages. It's in the radiator. It's not much, but they are bent. Side of one spot here. So now I got a little bit further. Takes a little bit of time since it was 34 years ago or something I was riding, and back at that time I had my own mechanic, my father. So now it looks pretty much like a motorbike. At least I think so. It's been a little bit of a hassle now and then to assemble it, because it doesn't come with a user's manual. So I had to figure out a lot of things, and luckily I have a direct contact with the manufacturer, so they helped me. But of course a user's manual would have been absolutely best. One thing that I didn't know actually when I ordered it, that it has a fan on the radiator helping to cool, and that's really good if you're driving on trails or something where you're going slower. Finished assembling the motorbike, and everything looks good. So my final kind of review of this is that from ordering to assemble it, everything worked well. It was very easy to order through Alibaba, and they were very responsive at the company to help me. And it only took 6 weeks to get the motorbike here. And everything was okay. There were some small minor marks on the motorbike, and there is just one thing. It's a missing rubber thingy that holds the side clip for in front of the air filter. It looks like really good quality, and I've just been doing some small test riding on the streets, and it works really well so far. The only negative thing is that there is no user manual or service manual or anything. But since they got, let's say, a lot of inspiration from KTM, I downloaded a manual from KTM and printed it. So now I have, so I can see a lot of things here in this one. This is at least giving me some guidance. Soon I'm very ready for a test ride, and I'm really looking forward to it. So far, so good. So this is all.